The members of Janajati Manch of Krishnapur Mandal conducted a door-to-door election campaign on Thursday in Mungiakami area in support of East River Seat candidate Maharani Kriti Devi Singh. 29 Krishnapur Mandal Janajati Mancha member Govinda Hari Jamatia, Mandal Vice President Anjali Devarma, 6 number vote President Rakesh Devarma, 7 number vote President Santi Devarma, Manika Devarma and others were present during the door-to-door election campaign.
Ini 4 tarik Sangrong Salba Bisibar Thursday 2024 ni salo 29 Krishnapur Bidhan Sabha Bisingo Khobjak or Mungiakami go 7 number bodo जों जतो नग नग कासागै सिनि महारानी कृति देवी सिंह देबरमानो गोबां बुट बाय कप्लाय खायगानि बाङै सिनि जनजाति नि होइते बीजेपी नि होइते जों जतो जागो जों प्रचार खाइ दङ कपिरि दङ बिनि अर जागो सिनार लगेगो दङ सिनि मण्डलनि प्रेसिडेन्ट बरम गोनांजो भाइस प्रेसिडेन्ट बरम गोनांजो Anjali Devi Deborma, the good president Korong Tongo, the young Sini Boko, Monica Deborma, the Maikwan leader, Ozago Paimanja Pajak, Sinjoto Costo Clay, Tabo Prosar Claytongo, Copiri Tongo, Maikene. Sing Gurimani Zati, Nukmani Hoites, and Toma CPN, Toma Congress, Toma BGB, Sing Haikonos and Nukgia, Sing Zagazagas and Cox Hai Tamazagos and Omhainos and Nuka, the Baksabusu Zagoto. Leader way communication kreiba nini officer communication krei kaise kichu rogo nini abo leptin maya ba nok maya hairo kisu tongu abo hairono sing rogani bangai sing borno kogroi kabu abo loksuwa election time ni parai boronai abo boroni mayang mani karon bolte leader way communication krei ba jogajog krei ni bangai borno kaham ki sisok maya ni bangai mahai isa communication gap ni bangai mahai tongu bahaita inge jotono motamoti respond kaham no mai thigese jotono success sini success ka je sing tini burimani jurate kaham no vote nai abo sini poito
bye.
Reporter Baby Club from Mungiakami Chini Khorang.